Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 415 East Church Street, number 2 in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This is a beautiful townhome that has 4 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a lot of things that I think you are absolutely going to love. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire place from top to bottom. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. All right, we are starting the tour outside today so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood. You can see Robb Elementary School is right across the street, and take a look at the front of the building here. Now we're going to go right up the front walkway into the door, and you are immediately greeted by your living room. You have a bright, beautiful space. You've got these great kind of architecturally interesting doorways with a little hexagonal shape to it, and plenty of room to set up a very, very comfortable living room. Big, beautiful windows letting in all that natural light. And we're gonna come right into your little dining room area here. And I say little, you can certainly fit a nice sized table and chair set in here. You also have plenty of room for additional furniture if you want a hutch or some kind of a buffet or something like that. And we're gonna loop right through into the kitchen. Now, you've got room for a little baker's rack over here, or maybe even one of those little islands that you can kind of slide in and out as you're doing food prep and things like that. You have a great amount of counter space, tons and tons of cabinets. And if that's not enough, you've got a little pantry over here to help keep things neat, clean, and organized if that is your thing. We're going to open this up here. This is your kind of utility room type deal. This has radiant in-floor heating, which is really awesome because you don't actually have a heating system taking up all of this space, so you can use it for storage. And then obviously you can see you've got your water heater there. Now moving forward, we have the laundry machine, nice little shelf right over top of there. A tension bar with a really nice curtain would cover this up if you wanted to, and kind of keep everything behind the veil a little bit so you don't have to look at it every day. And just across from there, we are gonna go right into your bathroom. Look at this beautiful modern setup here. You've got a brand new vanity with storage underneath. You have your full-size bathtub. I love that you got the grab bar right here, little beadboard accent up there. You have a huge linen closet here, already tricked out with shelves, which is super helpful. And then obviously your toilet facilities. Now you have a closet back here because as if you don't have enough storage, there's closets on closets. Now we're gonna just pop out the back here. This is where the unassigned off-street parking is, and just beyond that shed right back there is a dumpster where you would take care of your trash. And there is parking along the back side there as well. All the spaces are kind of lined out, so it makes it easy so people aren't parking a little funky and making it difficult for each other. Now we are gonna take it up the stairs. And speaking of these stairs, this is a nice wide staircase. So we're talking about getting furniture up here. This is not going to be where you struggle. Now you've got beautiful, beautiful hardwood floors through this entire upstairs. And we're just gonna venture into each one of these bedrooms. They are all big enough to house a king-size bed. And they all have their own closets. This first one here, double hang bars and shelves. This is a pretty standard size closet. But when we go across the way here, we've got, again, another nice big room. Y'all, look how deep this closet is. Doubling up on the hang bars and shelves, but the space, it is like double the depth of the other one. About same width-wise, so traditionally, a normal width closet. Coming across the hall here, caddy corner, again with the big bedroom. Standard closet with the hang bars and the shelves. You've got a storage closet here with a singular shelf and hang bars. And then you have your last bedroom. I would say this is the smallest, but you can still definitely fit a king size bed in here. And then you've got your standard closet there with the 2 shelves and the hang bar. Holy mackerel, this place is a real humdinger, am I right? So what you need to do to call this home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you call this home.